Welcome to our infographic on freshwater ponds and the value of urban blue space. First, let's define freshwater ponds. These are small, shallow water bodies, typically less than 1 hectare in size, found in various biogeographical regions. They play a crucial ecological role by supporting high biodiversity and providing habitats for various species. Additionally, they contribute to nutrient retention, rainfall interception, and carbon sequestration. Freshwater ponds also serve as a climate refuge, aiding species migration in response to climate change. Next, we have urban blue spaces. These are urban areas that include water bodies such as rivers, lakes, ponds, and coastal areas. Urban blue spaces offer numerous health benefits. They enhance physical activity and social interaction, improve mental health and psychosocial well-being, and provide restorative environments that improve environmental quality. In summary, both freshwater ponds and urban blue spaces are vital for ecological balance and human well-being.
Let's explore how the freshwater ponds benefit the environment, our communities, and urban infrastructure. Ponds are biodiversity hotspot, providing habitats for fish, frogs, and plants even in busy cities. They also act as natural water filters, cleaning stormwater and improving water quality. Ponds help with climate regulation, cooling down neighborhood and reducing urban heat. And also they protect ecosystem by trapping soil and supporting species that keep our environmental balance. These are some social and community benefits from freshwater ponds. Ponds are great for us too. They boost mental well-being, giving us calm, relaxing spaces. They offer fun leisure activities like fishing and bird watching and make parks more beautiful for everyone to enjoy. Plus, they are fantastic for learning, teaching kids and adults about nature and conservation. Ponds help cities work better. They control flooding during heavy rains, help with climate adaptation, and provide water for gardens and parks. And also, they make neighborhoods more livable and attractive.
However, the urban ponds face significant threats that compromise their health and functionality. First, biological threats further disrupt this ecosystem. Invasive species like non-native plants and fish often outcompete native species, while urbanization fragments habitats, leading to a decline in biodiversity and a loss of ecological balance. Second, the urban heat island effect raises temperature in cities, increasing evaporation and warming pond water. These changes stress aquatic life and create conditions that promote harmful algae blooms. Third, overuse of this pond for recreation such as boating or fishing will damage habitats, contribute to littering, and disturb wildlife. Finally, pollution poses a major challenge. Stormwater runoff carries harmful substances like oil, heavy metals, and fertilizer into ponds. Nutrient overload from these sources triggers eutrophication, causing excessive algal blooms that deplete oxygen and harm aquatic life. Additionally, sewage leak and untreated wastewater further degrade water quality. And these combined threats not only affect the health of urban ponds but also reduce their ability to support biodiversity and serve sustainable urban blue spaces.
So what can cities do to better manage the ponds? It comes down to 4 key actions: diversify, buffer, sustain, and monitor. First of all, we need to protect local plants and animals. That means keeping invasive species like certain fish or plants out while encouraging native species to flourish. This is done, for example, by integrating natural features like rain gardens and wetlands into the urban ponds. The next point is buffering. So cities can surround ponds with green spaces, trees, and fewer paved areas to absorb the rainwater and reduce runoff, so therefore buffering the space. For example, vegetated, shallow, planted channels to slow down the stormwater and filter out pollutants before they reach the ponds. Sustainability is about keeping the water clean and the ecosystem balanced by using natural filters made of soil and vegetation that remove harmful chemicals, nutrients, and heavy metals from the stormwater. Finally, cities need to monitor and adapt by regularly checking how their systems are performing and tweak the designs to handle, for example, tropical storms or heavy rainfalls properly. By combining those 4 points, a city can properly manage the water effectively and also serve as a vibrant space for people and nature. One city that has quite an elaborate program to keep their urban ponds clean, healthy, and diverse is Singapore, with their active, beautiful, clean water program. If you are interested in specific examples of how a city can properly manage urban ponds, just look up ABC Waters to learn more about their ways.
So, what citizens could do to protect urban pond? Here are simple actions that we should be follow. First, try to keep things sustainable by dispose your trash responsibly and try to minimize the use of pesticide or herbicide. Reduce water waste at home so it prevents overflow into the pond. Second, protect aquatic life by watch them respectfully and keep a safe distance from them. Say no to alien species by prevent spreading invasive species and don't release any kinds of your aquatic pets into the ponds. Clean your equipment after using them in the other ponds or lake, such as fishing gear, booth, or tents. Third, follow the rule or sign nearby the ponds and make sure avoid feeding birds or fish with processing food, which can harm to their health. Fourth, join community actions by volunteer for cleanup and support local policy that protect the pond. Fifth, sharing what you're hearing from this video to your friends, neighbors, and family. Last but not least, be a nature hero by report any kinds of harmful activity to the ponds to local authorities, such as pollution incidents or dumping waste into the ponds.